Hello everyone. Did you know that your smartphones have certain functions that work from morning to evening and collect information about how you use your browsers, what you write on YouTube itself, that is, search queries, especially if you like to use voice commands. That is, all of your search phrases and what you generally enter on your keyboard are recorded. That is, when you write something, even this may concern some messengers in which you communicate. But the most negative thing is that this is anonymously sent to the developers. That is, other people really know about you and what you do in your applications. Ask yourself, why should I send something anonymously to someone, and why should anyone even know how I personally use my smartphone? Of course, I turn off such settings. Now I will tell you everything and show you. Be sure to support the video with a like, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. So, this function is very well hidden, and if you don't know where and how to go, then, of course, no one will find it. But I will, of course, show you this. You need to use the usual standard settings. Go there. Then scroll down here and find an item called Advanced Settings. Here is this line. Click on it. Then look, scroll down a little bit and find Special Features. Go there. Here at the top you will have an interactive line. You see, here it moves back and forth. You need to click on Vision and then scroll down and find Speech Synthesis. Click on this line. And here it is very important that there is a setting called Default Speech Synthesizer from Google. Here it is by default in almost every smartphone. If we click on it, then you see that I can't do anything else here. There are no additional settings. And no matter how you click here, you don't get to the settings you need. Look, I click the back arrow. And now it is very important. There is another arrow on the right side. Here, try to click on it specifically. It happens that you seem to click on the arrow, but still get to this menu. Anyway, look. If you click correctly, you will get to an additional hidden menu. If you scroll down, look, here are anonymous reports on speech synthesis. Click here. Here you will have this interesting setting enabled. It is briefly written here that everything related to input, text and voice commands is sent somewhere, and it is sent anonymously. To be honest, you do not even notice this and do not see it. It is simply done in hidden mode. But since you have this setting enabled, you yourself allow this to happen. Personally, I turn this off on mine, and the phone will even work better, faster and more responsive. These functions will never help you in any way. This is simply done so that some information is sent specifically about your actions on your phone. Well, of course, this is simply unacceptable.